Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery temperature on Lenovo Tab P12. First go to Play Store and go to Search tab and search for Ampere. This app will allow you to check your battery temperature and other data. So let's click on Install. Then click on Open, and you can see that the app is on. You can click on Consent and OK. Here is your battery temperature as well as other data, and you can click here on the settings in top right corner, then basic settings, and click on temperature in a unit, and when you click on it, it changes the unit as you can see. So when you go back twice, it changes the unit of the temperature. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.